Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to forward emails in Zendesk. This is a great way to streamline your support workflow by automatically routing emails to your Zendesk ticketing system, ensuring no customer message gets lost or overlooked. First, open your browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin privileges, as you'll need access to settings that regular agents can't modify. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on this gear icon and it will automatically direct you to the admin center. This is where all the important configuration and customization options for your Zendesk workspace are located. Now that you're in the admin center, focus on the left sidebar again. Click on Workspaces, and from the options that appear, select Agent Interface. This section controls how your agents interact with Zendesk and what features are available to them. Within the agent interface settings, scroll through until you find the option labeled Email Forwarding. Once you locate it, click the checkbox next to it to enable this feature. After enabling it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This ensures that the changes you just made are applied to your account. Give it a moment to process and save your settings properly. Next, head back to the left sidebar and click on Channels. From the menu that appears, select Email. This is where you'll manage all email-related settings, including how emails are received and forwarded into your Zendesk system. In the email settings, look for a section called Support Addresses. Within this section, click on Manage Support Addresses. This will open a new page where you can view and configure all the email addresses that are currently connected to your Zendesk account. Now click on Add Address to begin adding a new email forwarding setup. You'll see a prompt asking how you'd like to connect the address. Click on Connect External Address to proceed. From the options presented, select Email Forwarding, then click Next. This method allows you to forward emails from an existing email address directly into Zendesk without changing your current email provider. You'll now be prompted to input a forwarding address. Type in the email address you want to forward into Zendesk, then click Save. This address will become the source from which emails are automatically sent to your Zendesk support system. And that's it. The process of forwarding emails will now start, and Zendesk will begin receiving and converting those forwarded emails into support tickets automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.